Mr. Nazim, please tell us about yourself in English.
Hello, how are you? I like to address to myself. My name is Nazim and I am 10 years old. I study in class 5. My school name is 𝐤𝐬𝐡 Government and Primary School. I am Bangladeshi and a Muslim. There are 3 members in my family. My parents. My father name is Roni and my mother name is Nargis. My father is a banker and my mother is a housewife. I like to play cricket and football. My favorite subject is math and English. My favorite hobby is gardening, cricket and football. I live in 𝐤𝐬𝐡.
Okay, excellent.